The square behind me is definitely a must. Hello everyone, welcome to Global Hopper. We are now in the German city of Mainz, which is roughly about half an hour drive west of Frankfurt. This little city, although small, is packed with a charm. So there's lots of interesting architectures. The old town center where I'm at is full of charm. The building in front of me is a good example. So let me just turn the camera around and show you what I mean. You see the one? The pink building seems perfectly straight until you reach the attic. Love that. Guys, before I came to Mainz, I had almost no expectation because I've never heard of this city. I don't know what to expect. But now I'm completely super impressed. Just look at it in front of me. Right, guys, this is typical German piazza or square, full of very charming half-timbered houses that just look so cool. I love feelings like this, so amazing. And I love the fact that every square, well, not every square, but most of square have either a well or a fountain. In this case, I don't know what to call this, but this is a well and fountain combined into one, it seems. Guys, this feels very much Polish to me, the building with the red bricks, rather than German. Really cool.
Hinten rein, der ist zu steil.
The square behind me is definitely a must when you come to Mainz. You will find it in the city center, you can't miss it. That's where pretty much all the tourists is around. So cool.
Sauf que si tu veux celui d'après que la prise de...
Right, there's a very beautiful church. I think it's Baroque style. I'm pretending to be knowledgeable of architecture styles. Yeah, it looks very beautiful. But I couldn't go in because I had a drink. I have a drink. But the wife and kid is in, enjoying the ornate paintings inside. Okay guys, if I'm not mistaken, I think the massive structure in front of us is the Mainz Cathedral. This is the one that I said look a little bit Polish, predominantly because of the shape of the building, but more importantly perhaps is the red bricks that gives the impression of being East European, especially Polish, possibly Russian, less Russian than Polish. There is a very interesting column located at the front of the church. Let me show you that column and explain a little bit the history behind it. Okay guys, so this is the column I want to show you. This is a nail column. As the name suggests, you can see there are literally thousands, tens of thousands of nails being hammered into this piece of wood. The reason for this is because during the First World War, German government is running out of money. In order to raise more money, they have appealed to the patriotic sentiment of the nation. And in order to give the people something tangible, they decided to say, look, if you donate for the war effort, you will be given a nail to be hammered into this column to represent your contribution. And as a result of that, this wooden structure, this monument of patriotism, is still standing here today. You can see there are 3 smaller columns. The one just behind there and the other one there, 3 of them. They are the representations of unity, bravery, and charity. And this is located right at the back of this massive cathedral. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, after that unexpected church visit, this video on Mainz is now concluded. Do I recommend it coming here? Only if you have time, to be honest. Nothing really special apart from that little square, which is really pretty. But other than that, meh. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this German series. Please, if you like the video, subscribe and share and like. And I shall bring you videos from different parts of the world. Until then guys, cheerio.